9 legitimate websites to earn $500 to $800 per week texting, available globally. Welcome back to another installment of, Is This Really a Side Hustle or Is It a Scam? In today's lesson, we delve into the realm of earning $500 a week through texting. Yes, you heard it right, through SMS. But before you start tapping away, let's ensure it's a legitimate opportunity. I've done the groundwork to bring you 9 credible websites that offer this earning potential worldwide. If you appreciate the effort I put into these videos, hit the like button. Trust me, if someone had told me 5 years ago I could make $500 just by texting, I'd have been skeptical. But here we are. 1. Texting Factory. TextingFactory.com connects businesses with text marketing professionals. Become a chat operator and earn an average of $300 a week, with potential to make $800. 2. Text Kings. TextKings.com offers similar opportunities. Work as a text chat operator, earning per message. Build strong client relationships for consistent earnings of up to $800 a week. 3. Text121Chat. Text121Chat.com hires adult chat operators, paying about $10.14 per hour. Work a minimum of 10 hours a week for potential earnings of $480. 4. ChatRecruit. ChatRecruit.com allows you to set your rates, with operators earning around $2.50 per message. With commitment, you can make $480 a week. 5. Flirt Bucks. FlirtBucks.net caters to those skilled in online flirting, paying around 40 cents per minute. Commit to 40 hours and earn $960 a week. 6. Chat Operator Jobs. ChatOperatorJobs.com pays around 20 cents per message. Work 40 hours for $480 weekly. 7. Fhrendly. Fhrendly.com operates on virtual currency, offering potential earnings of $840 a week. 8. Working Solutions. WorkingSolutions.com offers various work from home opportunities, paying per minute or call. You could earn up to $600 a week. 9. Needle. Needle.com provides chat support services, paying via PayPal or check. Sign up, pass a test, and start earning $400 to $800 a week. For more information on how to make money online ideas, please visit Bexico.com. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on AI technology, making money online ideas and more. Please see the video description for more information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights. Until next time, thank you for watching.